Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to get into another um, grooming product that we're going to be reviewing here on the channel, or really taking a look at and doing an unboxing, because I never actually used this before, but it's something I wanted to get into. Now, in a previous video, I was talking about basic grooming tips that I feel every man should be doing. Nothing over the top, but just basic stuff, and trying to just give a little bit of advice and on that kind of stuff, and making sure that everyone's following, some your basic grooming that you have to do out there for you to be a better person, a better version of you. Because obviously, on this channel, this is what we promote: a better version of yourself. So here we're just taking a quick look at Shaving Revolution. That's the brand. Straight edge barber razor. Now this is like the old school type of shaving, the one blade, or almost like a knife type of situation, where you would shave your face, like in those old movies. Includes 100 platinum series Japanese stainless steel single edge blade. First, let's take a look at the back of the box real quick, so you can kind of get an idea of what we're looking at here. Oh, well, you already seen it already. So QR codes, I guess people are going to scan that and end up getting discounts or whatever the case is. But anyway, so you can see here the design of it. Very is different than what we normally think of when we think of the blades of back in the days, because this one has all these aspects to it, so it's a little more modernized and uses replaceable blades, as opposed to some of the old school razors that just had a single blade on it and you didn't replace the blade. So this is something new that I'm going to get into. I wanted to try out because of a few reasons. One, because it's supposed to give you a closer and better shave, and then two, from my understanding, um, this is a little easier to touch up your hairline in, like, your lining of your hair, or like say your beard and things of that sort. Now, I don't know if that's going to be the case or not, if that's going to be true or not, but I definitely wanted to give it a shot and test it out, because I normally use my basic shaving razor to shave up my hairline if I'm not going to go to a barber, which I mentioned in a previous video before. I like to do a lot of my own work just because it's more cost efficient and it gets you more independent. So that way, say if it's on a fly and you haven't done had a chance to go to a barber or whatever the case is in a little while, you got something you got to go take care of and do. You don't have to be waiting on having time to go to the barber. You can just do it yourself. um, so here you can see how this works. I guess you would just open this, you pull this back, and I'm not sure how this opens here, but you would end up sliding the blade somewhere in between here. Obviously, I haven't gone through the instructions on this because I'm opening it up for the first time with you guys. But the way it looks like here is that these two pieces get separated, and then you would slide the razor in between them here. So, but yes, so link in the description if you guys want to test this out. Also, put in the comments down below if any of you have used a straight edge razor, or single blade, or knife blade razor, whatever you really call it. If you ever used one of these before, for yourself, what are the pros? What are the cons? What do you think? Let the viewers know. And I will update in the comments below after I have a chance to use this, and let you know what my experience has been. But once again, this is for basic grooming tips that we have put in the past videos, in regards to you guys just being able to try something new, see what works for you. And I'm going to see what works for me, and just let us know. All right, you guys, be safe as always. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.